Yeah, hi guys, how is everyone? So, RoyalQ has made many changes in the robot, how it displays and how is everything. So, today, today, I'll try to show you how you can choose a coin simply, not waiting for the signal, how you can choose a coin simply by yourself. It has given us a variety, variety of many things. We can use many indicators, RSI, MACD, ADJ, KDJ, sorry, many variety. It is now becoming very interesting. It's now becoming very profitable. So if you don't know what to do, you can come to us. You can contact me. We'll help you. We'll help you, and we see how we uh, how we can earn uh, together as a whole team. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how you can choose a signal or how you can pick a signal using MACD indicator. MACD indicator. Actually, I will do another video when I want to show the whole recap of the changes that was done by RoyalQ. But today I'm just want to do
So here we go.
trade
Guys,
setting
you're welcome.
using
You're
MACD.
most welcome. Guys, things are becoming so amazing. Things are becoming so amazing. RoyalQ has changed the several features. Today, I will not show so much about features. I just wanted to do some technical analysis because, man, we need money. Nothing else, we need money. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Even you comment with what you want me to teach about because man, now it's a lot of things. It's a lot of things. We've been doing a lot of research, knowing new things. So we have a lot in stock and we're going to be posting now and then because now we have a lot to post. All right. So click that bell button and subscribe. One. One. They have changed many things like these features you see they were not there. Now the display of the coins, our floating loss and the return ratio is now at the same area. So this one I will not go into them today. I'm going to do a video which totally shows what changes were done royalty starting from home. When I say home I mean sorry. When I say home, I mean this page, starting from this page, starting from here, I'll show you, then up to the trade settings, which I'm going to show. Now, today I'm going to show you how to choose a coin profitably without using any like human, you know, for us humans, we have this feeling, maybe it will work, maybe it will not, no. Maybe I'm correct, maybe I'm not correct, no. You tell the indicator to do it for you. When it does something you've said, the coin will buy and it will be profitable. Let me show you using this small account of my friend. Okay, so let me show you using this coin. There is this coin already I placed order, but it has not bought. You see, it has not bought. It is not yet starting, but it is they are waiting for those instructions that I've given it. When they happen, it will buy and it will be profitable. It will come out definitely. If the instructions I've given it doesn't come, it will not buy. So let me show you how to do it. Okay. We're just going to technical. Let me first go here. Now, look here, guys. You see this line here? This line here? So now the coin has got two portions. There is this downer and this upper. So when you click in this upside, it will go to technical analysis page here. Go back. When you click below that line, it will go to the trade settings. Okay. So this coin is already inside. Now you see I don't care about the buttons. Switch on margin call is on, AI is on, because now these ones, I don't care about these buttons anymore because they are settings which are there. I can decide even not to buy margin calls. I can do just to go in with the maybe $12 and I just see whether they will make money or not. But the settings are just now Things are just now becoming clearer. Okay, you see here, it is telling me waiting for MACD to trigger the price. The other time we were using preset price, still you can set preset price, but now instead of using preset price, we are using indicators. Indicators. I tell the robot when the MACD makes a golden cross, this is a green line. When a yellow line crosses, this is what they call a golden cross. This area here is what they call a golden. When it crosses a green line going up, buy and give me 2%. Man, so the robot will not buy not until the MACD crosses. I'll show it to you. Let me go to technical analysis. Okay, you see this coin, it has started making green candles. We are in RoyalQ, guys. We are not in TradeView now. We are in RoyalQ. Everything we're doing in them in RoyalQ. It has started making green candles. Now, you, like in your human sense, you can say, maybe I should enter this coin from here. Maybe. You're in assumptions. But now, we just want to remove those feelings. Those feelings. I told it, this is MACD. This is what they call MACD, guys. I'll come again. I speak about MACD, MACD in depth. What is MACD? How it works in depth. But today I just want to show you how to pick using MACD. It has two lines. This orange line and the yellow. So the yellow is the lighter one. Then the orange happens to be the one which is heavier, because orange watches over candles which are many than this yellow one. So the length of the yellow one is lighter than the length of the pink one, right? So I've told it to buy when the lighter crosses the heavier. So it will not buy, it will not trigger the buy not until that happens. And when that one happens, it means that the trade has to be profitable. It has to be profitable, believe it or not. If it doesn't cross, it will not buy. It means I'll go and I just pause the trade. If I see that what I wanted did not happen, I will just go here and I just pause the trade. I look for another trade. This is where we are going. This is where we're going. So how do you set this? How do you set this? You will come to the coin. The coin is called GMX/USDT. Then you come to trade settings. Trade settings. Now, for now, I'll only show you this because I'm not interested in this. Okay, let me show you. You can decide now from here. Remember, now new changes. You can decide from here. I want my coin to be in whole warehouse, sub-bin mode, real-time settlement. Now from trade settings, you can decide where you want your coin to be, and it's here. Okay, it's there. You can come to choose. You choose strategy, but today I'm not going to choose strategy here. Let me just strategy. Then we just show you manually. This coin I've only bought with $12. I wanted to buy with $12. I'm testing something. Then $12. I've used the switch AI margin call because I just want it to buy one time. don't want to buy like many times. So just why I used AI margin call. But I want to buy it right time at the right position, and I get only my 2% profit. Buying call back 0.01, this one you know. Then margin call configuration, you can configure, but since I want to just take one time buying, I don't want even to go to margin configuration. But if you want it to take many times, you can configure and you give it margin call like the way we've been doing. Okay, so the call drop, this one is always they are always 0.01. They did not change like how we've been doing it. Buying call back 0.01. This one also you can make it 0.01. Yeah. So strategy is one shot. You give it one shot. So after giving it one slot, they have added, RoyalQ have added these areas. RoyalQ have added these areas, guys. Guys, now, first by trigger condition. First by trigger conditions. The other time, we could put preset price. But now, you can say, I want my robot to trigger with trigger price, RSI indicator, KDJ indicator, or MACD indicator. Now you can use the indicator to trigger your buy position. Okay? Now, on these ones, I've used MACD. MACD, and I've told it that how could you trigger how could you press buying position when the MACD makes a golden cross? We spoke about golden cross. When MACD makes a golden cross, that is when you have to trigger my buying position. Okay, so time we go to trigger. We go to trigger trigger line or line trigger, meaning one thing. Let me show you. This MACD has a zero line. This line which is in the middle, it's called a zero line in the middle. Let me change colors. Let me change colors. Let me change colors. Let me change colors. Zero line, it is always black. I don't know black if you will see it. Yeah, you can see it. I think it is always black. This is the middle of MACD. It is always black. Then there is a histograms. Histograms, they are these things which moves on MACD here. Green, 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 green. After it makes red, 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 red down. Again, it makes green, 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 green. Then after it makes red down. So you can decide that I want that golden cross to happen, and on the MACD, these are the lines now which passes to make golden cross. It goes there. They goes like this. So they cross zero lines and going up, and then they cross again zero line, the black line going down. So you can decide that I want my golden cross when the second, there are two lines now. This is the second line. So you can decide that I want my golden cross to happen below or above. So you see this area where this blue line has crossed the pink line, that's a golden cross. It's above the black line. Here, this area, it is another golden cross, but below the what? Below the black line. Here is a golden cross, but above this black line. Hope I'm making sense. So here, let me go back. You can decide trigger line that I want my MACD to happen above the golden cross or below. What's the difference? When the golden cross happens above this zero line, then let's say this is a zero line. When it happens above here, this coin pumps so much. But when it happens below, the golden cross happens below, it will pump, but not too much. So you decide where do you want your golden cross to happen. For me, I said here, according to what I see, I said let it happen above. Let it happen above, because my coin, after let it happen above, then I saved. Okay, I saved. Why I said let it happen above? Because according to how I see the coin, it's already happening and it's above the zero line. This line you see, this one is the zero line, and already it's happening above it. You see, it's happening, and this area already here, the candlestick are changing to green. So when this one crosses like this, it means this profit can give me 2%. We are using a lower time frame, 15 minutes. When you're using a 15 minute, you have to take a smaller take profit. Smaller take profit. So guys, that's how you do the trade settings. Trade settings. That's how we do the trade settings. We have a lot to cover, but this one will come. Now we have like this gauge. it can gives you that now we are in a strong buy, we are in a strong sell, we are in a sell, now we are in neutral. We have a lot of indicators. We have moving average indicators. What are they saying? There are many, but you cannot see. They are buy, 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 buy. Then it comes to summarize here, telling you now this is a strong buy. That's a moving average. You go to technical indicators. They come. What are they saying? Most of them are neutral. They are saying no, wait. They are neutral. Now MACD is still saying sell. It's not yet time to buy. So when you come to here, this is the summary. Buy 0, neutral 3, sell 0. So you cannot take that trade. That's why I told you on this trade, I tell them let MACD decide. When MACD will say sell, that trade will enter. So man, RoyalQ is becoming more interesting, more interesting, more interesting. So that area, I will come back to cover that area because now we have a lot to cover. Come here too. There is this side here. We've seen moving averages, technical indicators. Now there is this side pivot. You guys who doesn't know how to measure support resistance, RoyalQ has measured support resistance 1, resistance 2. This is pivot. This is where the coin is playing from. Then there is support. So you can even feel that if this coin starts to trade, I want it to trigger at this price. You just come here and you say classic. I'll choose this one for class of Fibonacci. Now let me elaborate more here. You go to our current price is now here 25. This one 25 is our current price. Let me change this color to maybe green here. Our current price is 25, right? So 25, when you come to our pivot point, we are looking for 25. 25 is here. So it means let me see, the other one is 25 point what? 25.03. It means it is below here, somewhere below here. Okay? Some small 25.0, somewhere below here. It's coming to this resistance. So if you are to take this trade, you go and you on this trade, you go to, let me check, you go here, sell. If the trade has started trading, now this one has not started. If it has started, you just come here to sell. You press that sell button and you fill in these digits here on the next. You just fill in this digit. When it reaches that next resistance, it will exit. Now there is no getting resistance which are not which are not right. Now you see. Let's look for where 25 is. Where 25 is, you see that where that line is, that is our next resistance level. So it will trigger from there and give you profits, and then it gets out. So things are becoming more easy, right? So we will continue. We're going to do several videos now regarding RoyalQ. We had even rested. Now we are going to teach again. Anyway, you can follow me. I'm Prince. You can follow me. You can inbox me if you want to start trading. You want to know how to do trading, when you want to benefit. You can follow me. Anyway, yeah, let me stop here for today. But that's how you can set your trade even with no stress. If it will cross here, my trade will go in and I will make money. If it doesn't cross, I will just come. If it doesn't cross, I will just pause the coin and I look for another trade. Yeah, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and press that bell icon. Yeah, thank you very much.